Hello, my name is Victor Ash. I am an artist, mostly painting in the public space, street art, graffiti, all kind of stuff like that. Also exhibiting in galleries. I am originally from Paris. Today I'm here in Berlin. I think Berlin is really a place where young people can thrive. There's a lot of freedom to do whatever you want. Today is the first day of this workshop here at the UE. We are painting on two big canvases. It's about the collaboration together with the students. I made these drawings on the canvases and then they are filling it up and making it real.
I thought it was very interesting to see how a freelance artist works.
Yeah, it was quite impressive to see a canvas that was completely white from the beginning and then finish it from beginning to end. That's the first time seeing a professional just creating something from zero and then 100% done, and us being part of it, of the creation.
Yeah, we are here now at the second day of the workshop at the UE. We are doing kind of freestyle workshop this morning because I think that the students, they should get freedom to do whatever they want on canvases. So I brought a few stencils with me from a few of the murals I've done. I think what they are doing apparently looks really great, and I'm looking forward to see the finished work.
It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. I have a very chaotic nature, as you can see from my artwork. I live in the chaos, and it was really great because I could just really let myself go. Well, not myself, but you know, my art just happen, and it really, I think, conveys a feeling and it conveys the chaos. So yeah, I really like this medium and I loved experimenting with it today.
I loved the vibe of the workshop overall. We played music, we had fun. This gave me an opportunity to freely express myself. I took inspiration from just street art, graffiti art in general. We live in Berlin, so it's a perfect place for that. I loved it very much today.
I think what I like about the workshop is even though we had all the same spray paint, all the same stencils, everybody's work is so different.